Come on in. We've been expecting you. We know that you, yes you, have been searching all over the interwebbies trying to find the answer to this question. Are you ready? Because the answer to the question that you want to know is...
The answer? You apostle personal documents the same way you apostle business or corporate documents, depending on whether they are classified as recordable or non-recordable documents. If your personal documents are considered recordable documents, such as birth certificate, death certificate, divorce decree, or divorce certificate, or a marriage license or marriage certificate, then you must submit the original document or a city, county, or state-issued certified copy. It cannot be a photocopy or a notarized copy of the document to the Secretary of State of the state of where the document was issued from. Meaning, if your recordable document was issued in the state of Texas, the Texas Secretary of State is the only government entity in the country that can issue a state-level apostle on that document. If your personal documents are considered non-recordable documents, such as elementary school, high school, college diplomas, degrees, transcripts, and records, criminal background check reports, excluding FBI and Texas DPS issued background checks, power of attorneys, contracts, leases, bill of sale, agreements, single status affidavits, passports, driver's license, visas, PAN cards, green cards, phone or utility bills, or social security card copies, then you must get them properly notarized, and they must be the originals in almost all cases. Then you submit them to the Secretary of State of the state where the document was notarized. For example, say you got a photocopy of your Texas driver's license notarized in California. In this scenario, you can only get it apostilled at the California Secretary of State in Sacramento, California, and vice versa. If you have a California driver's license copy notarized in Texas, you can only get it apostilled by the Texas Secretary of State. So in summation, if the recordable document is issued from a certain state, that is the only state that can issue an apostle. So it doesn't matter where you live, now or ever. So if you were born in California, you can only ever get a birth certificate apostilled from the Secretary of State of California. If you were married in Nevada, it doesn't matter where you were born, where you live now, where you have lived, because you are married in Nevada, you can only get an apostle on your marriage certificate or marriage license from the state of Nevada. If you went to college in New York, you can only get your original diploma or transcripts apostilled from the Secretary of State of New York. That makes sense. And if it's notarized, any kind of document that's notarized, wherever that notary is licensed in that state is the only state they can apostle it. So if you got a document notarized in Florida and one in Washington and one in Illinois, then you have to get an apostle in each of those three states. So wherever the notary comes from or licensed from, that's the state, the only state you can get apostilled in. If it's a recordable document, whatever state issued it is the only state that can apostle it. Thank you.
Hi again. We have a small favor to ask. If this video helped or entertained you in any way, we would be forever grateful if you could give us one of these and leave us a comment below. Also, feel free to call or email us with any questions or help you may need. Thanks and take care.